Hey guys, I'm Daniel of Pinoy Techno Guide and I just received the Huawei Nova 3 smartphone. It offers similar specs as the flagship Huawei P20 but for a more affordable price. The box has the phone's name with a gradient color that changes when it's viewed from different angles. Upon opening the box, we're immediately greeted by the smartphone itself. So this is the Huawei Nova 3 and I got the iris purple color variant. It has a gradient body color that starts from blue at the top to purple at the bottom. We'll get back to this phone later after we check the other contents of the box. First, we have this pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. Then there's a free phone case inside this inner box. It's a transparent jelly case that will protect the device while keeping its design visible. Next is a power brick with an unusual prong. I usually see this kind of plug in air conditioners. Don't worry, this will fit in two prong sockets using a cheap adapter. It's also labeled as a quick charger with a maximum power output of 9 volts and 2 amperes. We also have this USB to USB Type-C cable for power and data transfer. Lastly, there's a free set of earphones with hands-free button and a standard 3.5mm audio connector. The Huawei P20 doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack, but the Nova 3 retains that port for convenience. I don't really like carrying an adapter just to listen to music using decent quality earphones. And that's it. Let's now take a closer look at the Huawei Nova 3 smartphone itself. First, let's remove these protective plastic films. There's still a pre-installed screen protector on the phone screen, so that's good. A fingerprint sensor occupies the center of the phone's back. I registered my fingerprint and it detects the input swiftly. In the upper left corner is the dual rear camera module with its LED flash. That's a 24 megapixel main rear camera coupled with a 16 megapixel secondary rear camera. This phone doesn't have Leica branded cameras like the P20 and P20 Pro, but it still has a similar AI technology. On the right side of the phone is its volume buttons and power button. The power button even has a vinyl-like color pattern which looks dope. The bottom has the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port and loudspeaker, while the SIM card tray is on the left side. The Huawei Nova 3 has glass on both front and back, while the sides are surrounded by metal. I tried scratching the glass using a knife but with no visible damages. The phone exudes a premium feel when held, and it also has gentle curves, making it more ergonomic and comfortable to use. Let's now turn this smartphone on so we can get a better look at its display. This is a 6.3-inch IPS LCD screen with a Full HD Plus resolution, rounded corners, and a notch. The notch houses the phone's dual front cameras, sensors, earpiece, and LED notification light, which is placed perfectly behind the earpiece grill. Of course, the phone runs on Huawei's EMUI software. Swiping across the home screens is smooth and animations seem fluid enough. Checking the storage in the settings reveals 115GB of free storage. That's out of 128GB total internal storage. That means there's almost no need for a microSD card. Pre-installed apps include Huawei's own apps, the usual Google apps, some lightweight games, Facebook, Messenger, Netflix, Z Camera, Camera 360, and Booking.com. Some of this can be uninstalled. Here's a quick camera sample. The quad cameras of the Huawei Nova 3 deserves a more in-depth look, and I'll do that in my full review. I'll also test the phone's gaming performance and see if it performs just like the P20 and P20 Pro since it uses exactly the same processor, the Kirin 970. For now, all I can say is the Huawei Nova 3 looks stunning and feels premium. I also like the fact that it comes with a couple of freebies, a phone case and screen protector. Go to PinoyTechnoGuide.com where I'll publish the full review after testing the device thoroughly. Don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos.